Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. I'm going to show you how to patch a hole, cover up a hole in your vinyl siding. And no, you don't need a piece of vinyl siding to do it. If you want to learn more about it, I'll be right back. Okay, welcome back to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. Like I said, we're going to be covering up, patching up a hole in the vinyl siding. Now, my siding needs replaced, all of it, to be honest. I want to get the house done, but due to price increases, I went from like $8,000 to $10,000 to $12,000. So we're just going to put that off until prices come down again. Now, I went out, and you can get this at the big box store. I'll try to have a link to it down below. It's the Aqua-Seal versatile waterproof tape. It's around $10 a roll, 3 inches by 5 yards. I know it sounds expensive, but the thing with this, it's paintable. Unlike some of your other flexible tapes, I don't want to name the flexible tapes, but they do seal. And this is good up to, I think, 200 degrees, it said. You know, applicable surfaces, gutters, galvanized pipes, vinyl siding, polysheathing, aluminum, copper, patch, repair, seal, pipes, hoses, gutters, pond liners, and more. Permanent waterproof bond, remains flexible, pliable for long-lasting hold. Now, the trick with this is be sure to put it where you want it, because once you put it on, it's going to be pretty hard to get off. This was $10. I went to Sherwin-Williams. I took a little piece of my siding. There was a little hole in my siding, so I made the little hole a big hole to cut out a piece of the vinyl siding to get a paint match. Best way to do it, I can paint over this. It won't be as noticeable, and it'll have a nice seal and it'll look better than just putting a piece of duct tape over it. Now, please remember, get paint made for vinyl siding, so it sticks to your vinyl siding and sticks to your tape. Make sure you get paintable tape, vinyl siding paint. The paintbrush, the paint was around $45. This is around $10, so you're looking about $45, $50. Like I said, I got several holes to do. So let's say you got 10 holes, you're fixing them at $5 a piece, compared to going out and buying replacement siding. Head outside and get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is give your house a good washing. Now, I'll have a link to this power washer wand I'm using, and also a link to the video, so you can check out the video, see what you think of the wand. If you like it, make sure to use the link below. Get it off Amazon, and you'll help me out. Okay, here's a couple holes we're going to be fixing. You're just going to take a paper towel with rubbing alcohol on it and just clean off the area some. Okay, I got a piece cut off. I'm going to remove the backing, place it over the hole. Make sure to press down on it to make sure it sticks really good. Smooth it out a little bit with your fingers. Okay, what I did was I just cut a whole bunch of little patches. That way I can just clean them, patch them, paint them. Do like 4 or 5 all at once. Okay, next up is the painting. Make sure you get it good and covered. Now, I know right now the paint color looks a little bit off, but trust me, after it dried, it looked a lot better. I did have to go back and give it a second coat. I wish they'd make the tape in white. That way, when you're doing lighter colors, it'd cover up easier. Okay, here they are dried. Now you can see they still stick out, but trust me, it's a lot better than a hole. I had them on the house for over a week now, and they've been holding up quite well. I'm rather impressed. So if you're looking for a cheap way and an easy way to fix the holes in your siding, definitely give this a try. Do me a favor, check out the links below, hit that subscribe button, and as always, thanks for watching.